Electroische Electronics. We work for totally dynamic yarn control. System evolution. Actieve, the electronic brake, the evolution of yarn tension, electronic control. Traditional braking systems provide for constant static tension exertion on the weft yarn from beginning to end of the weft insertion cycle, while electronic brakes add programmable tension percentages to a basic static tension. Optimized tension profiles are extremely difficult to identify as they're influenced by a considerable number of different variables, ranging from environmental conditions to the actual yarn production processes. Average tension profiles are thus opted for here, although in many cases they won't guarantee an increase in overall machine efficiency. The contact friction between the two brake leaves furthermore generates high tension peaks with subsequently violent impacts on the yarn. In addition, the increasingly higher operation speeds by modern looms require progressively faster brake movements, which only serve to highlight the problem. Our research therefore took on a different direction. First resulting in the TWM, the revolutionary, totally mechanically operated brake launched by Electroische Electronics halfway through the 90s. The TWM provides for dynamic control of the gripper motion. Gripper acceleration results in spring load release with subsequent brake opening. Deceleration by the gripper then causes the brake to close back up again. The result is real-time modulation with effective tension reductions in the points in which the highest tension peaks are generated. Electroische is now ready for its market launch of the Actieve, the next generation evolution of tension modulation. On top of the hallmark Electroische braking modulation, Actieve provides for simultaneous dynamic control and accurate selection of the braking points, so that modulation is delivered only where it's really needed, meaning that the overall stress that the yarn is subject to during shed insertion is significantly decreased via the application of selective dynamic modulation. Actieve performs up to 50% reductions on the average tension exerted on the yarn during shed insertion. Actieve is self-cleaning. The yarn travelling through accurately cleans the brake surface without residues. Definitely a step ahead of the electronic leaf brake concept that is limited to working with fine to medium fine yarn counts. Actieve has been engineered for the widest possible range of yarn counts. Actieve, the electronic brake, the evolution of yarn tension, electronic control.